Herbs have been used for centuries to help balance mood and support mental and physical well-being. One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to incorporate herbs into your daily life is through tea. Whether you need to relax after a long day, boost your energy levels, or find focus during a busy morning, there's a herbal tea for every mood. In this guide, we'll explore how different herbs can be brewed into teas to address specific moods and needs. From calming blends to energizing concoctions, herbal teas offer natural solutions to help you find balance in your daily life. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. Mood-based herbal teas for relaxation: chamomile and lavender. Tea herbs: chamomile, lavender, lemon balm. Why it works. Chamomile is a well-known herb for relaxation, and when paired with soothing lavender, it creates a calming blend that helps ease tension and stress. Lemon balm adds a gentle citrusy note and further supports relaxation. Perfect for unwinding in the evening, managing stress, or calming anxiety. For sleep, valerian root and passion flower. Tea herbs: valerian root, passion flower, hops. Why it works. Valerian is a powerful sedative herb often used to treat insomnia. Combined with passion flower and hops, this blend promotes deep, restful sleep, making it perfect for those struggling with sleeplessness. Perfect for bedtime, insomnia relief, or relaxation before sleep. For focus, rosemary and peppermint. Tea herbs: rosemary, peppermint, ginkgo biloba. Why it works. Rosemary has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory, while peppermint enhances mental clarity. Ginkgo biloba adds a brain-boosting element, making this blend ideal for increasing concentration and focus. Perfect for studying, working on projects, or staying alert. For energy, ginger and green tea herbs. Ginger, green tea, ginseng. Why it works. Ginger is known for its ability to boost circulation and energy. Paired with green tea, which contains a moderate amount of caffeine, and ginseng, which is an adaptogen known for boosting stamina, this blend provides a natural energy boost without the crash. Perfect for morning pick-me-up or afternoon energy slump. For mood boost, lemon balm and St. John's. Wort tea herbs: lemon balm, St. John's wort, holy basil. Why it works. St. John's wort is known for its mood-lifting properties and has been used to treat mild depression. Lemon balm offers a calming yet uplifting effect, while holy basil adds adaptogenic properties to balance mood and reduce stress. Perfect for lifting spirits, easing mood swings, or fighting the blues. For digestion, peppermint and fennel. Tea herbs: peppermint, fennel, ginger. Why it works. Peppermint soothes the digestive tract, while fennel helps reduce bloating and indigestion. Ginger supports digestion by reducing nausea and inflammation, making this blend perfect for any digestive discomfort. Perfect for after meals, upset stomachs, or bloating. For immune support, elderberry and echinacea. Tea herbs: elderberry, echinacea, hibiscus. Why it works. Elderberry and echinacea are two powerhouse herbs for supporting the immune system. Hibiscus adds vitamin C and antioxidants to the mix, creating a delicious immune-boosting tea that also tastes great. Perfect for cold and flu season, boosting immunity, or recovering from illness. For calm energy, holy basil and lemongrass. Tea herbs: holy basil, lemongrass, ashwagandha. Why it works. Holy basil is an adaptogen that provides a calm, focused energy. Lemongrass adds a fresh, uplifting flavor, while ashwagandha helps reduce anxiety and stress while supporting sustained energy. Perfect are a gentle energy boost, stress management, or focus without jitters. For heart health, hawthorn and hibiscus. Tea herbs: hawthorn, hibiscus, cinnamon. Why it works. Hawthorn is well known for supporting cardiovascular health, while hibiscus helps lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Cinnamon adds a warming flavor and supports healthy blood circulation. Perfect for supporting heart health, reducing blood pressure, or a warming tea treat. For detox, dandelion and burdock root. Tea herbs, dandelion root, burdock root, nettle. Why it works. Dandelion and burdock root are powerful detoxifying herbs that support liver and kidney function. Nettle adds nutrients and supports cleansing, making this blend great for detoxing and replenishing the body. Perfect for gentle detoxification, liver support, or as part of a cleanse. Herbal teas offer a simple and natural way to enhance your mood, support your health, and bring balance to your life. Whether you're looking to relax, focus, boost your energy, or promote digestion, there's a herbal tea blend that can help. Try incorporating these teas into your daily routine to experience their amazing benefits firsthand.